I've been away for a few days and I've come back to some very large zucchinis. In relation to my hand, you'll see just how big that zucchini is, huge. There's a few more irregular shaped ones, but again, gigantic. And in behind that one, you dig it out, look at that. Huge, they're just absolutely huge zucchinis. So yeah, you really have to stay on top of it when it's zucchini season as such, because they grow so fast, and the weather here at the moment is just amazing for Ireland. It's 30 degrees and it's been this way for almost 2 weeks now, so yeah, the zucchinis really love the heat and it's just not a good time to be away. Look at this, huge, just huge. So I'll have to figure out, well, I know exactly what I'll do with them. I'll make my zucchini pizzas and store them up, dehydrate them and store them up, and they do for months to come. So I have no issue in terms of what to do with them, but just amazed at the same time with the size of them. And here we have my basil that I've just collected, and the oversized zucchinis. You can see there, they're huge, and I'm going to use the basil to make the pesto. And I have these zucchinis that I'm going to make zucchini noodles from. And I also took out 2 garlic cloves that I had left in the ground, so they will do fine for the pesto. This is the polytunnel, mid-July, and everything is starting to shape up and take bloom, and it's extremely hot in here today. I can barely stand the heat, but everything doing well at the moment. Some fresh salad leaves out there. So from my 5 or 6 zucchinis, so I spiralized them down and managed to fill 2 large mixing bowls, and these offcuts I'm now going to add them back into my pesto sauce. So I've made the pesto a few moments ago. It's already starting to darken down a little bit in colour, and I'm just popping these in. I'm going to blend them up, and in the end I will just add that mixture. So it's a pesto, but quite a runny pesto, because I wanted to blend in with all of these zucchini noodles. Even with a large return of zucchinis from the garden, there's plenty that you can do to use them and preserve them. So I'll just leave that now to soak, say for 10 or 20 minutes, and then I will form my pizza bases. When I put them in the dehydrator for 48 hours, they are going to reduce in size considerably. Still tuned in at this stage and you like the content, you can show your support by clicking on the like or subscribe button, and this will enable the channel to grow over time and to hopefully reach a wider audience. And our finished product, we have 2 trays of dehydrated zucchini pizzas, mini pizzas, and they're just bite-sized really. So if you're out traveling, you're on the go, these are ideal because I just take them from the freezer, I put them into a container, I cut them into little strips, and they're simply bite size, but they're so tasty, and they get you over that little hump of when you're feeling hungry, you're not at home, and you need to put in the time and preparation into making your meal. These will just see you through. So a nice tasty little snack. And again, if you're traveling through the airport or long distance, they're so convenient. Pack into your handbag, or a little snack after lunch. And they keep for months on end. So it's a great way of just reducing down that volume of zucchini, because when they come in from the polytunnel, I think this one in total was about 9 zucchinis, and from that I was able to make, they covered 3-4 trays initially, and then once they had actually dehydrated and shrunk down in size, or the water evaporated from them, I could fit them over 2 trays, so 11 zucchinis. So I never ever like to see them go to waste, because it takes just a few minutes to spiralize them, make up a fresh pesto sauce, coat the zucchini, form little bundles on the dehydrator. It's as simple as that. Dry them out and then add your toppings. I have a cheese sauce, and then I put on also a little tomato pesto sauce as well. So just all those color variations, all the different tastes are incredible. So from my 11 zucchinis, I have now condensed them down into 3 little freezer bags, and they'll go in the freezer, and they're little mini bite-sized pizzas, and I'm promising you they are very tasty. So I hope you're inspired to give it a go. I'll put the recipe up, or actually I'll link it down below the video description, and you'll be able to follow along. It's very simple, no fancy equipment, just, well, actually you need a dehydrator, but apart from that, that's it.